If you find yourself with a camera in your hand and want to learn how to use it, please subscribe to this channel, like the videos, comment below. Hey Photos family, today's challenge or this week's challenge is to set up your photography set, whether you have added lights or you have the reflectors, your camera, get it all set up, time yourself from start of getting your bags out, ready to go, get the bags set somewhere, get the equipment put up, and stop your timer when everything is set up and ready to take an image, or even take an image of yourself to make sure you've got your settings dialed in. Once you've done all that, then time yourself in the tear down, taking everything back from its setup and put back in the bag, and the bags put away. Once you've done that, then you can stop your tear down time and leave a note for yourself. You don't have to put it down in the comments below or anything like that. It doesn't have to be a public thing. If you want to, that's perfectly fine. But the important thing is that you have a record for yourself, and you keep and hold track of that record so that you know what your first time was for setup and tear down. Thank you so much. God bless.